Hello guys, our subject for today is about navigation, navigation problem to OIC -NW. So this solving the true azimuth and the gyro error. It has to be solved by manual calculation and navigational computer software program. So reminder here that the captain, for this is the reminder to OIC. Kindly note that after you relieve the shipmate, especially at open sea, the captain will come to the bridge and instruct you to take the gyro error through sun observation. So, kukuha ka ng gyro error sa pamamagitan ng sun observation. So, ito yung example, given. March 1, 2013, ship's position, and DR position 2709, north longitude 179.50s. So, gyro compass, course, ayan, 107, speed 14.8 knots, and the magnetic PC standard compass course is 101. Chart variation of locality 6.5 east, and date and time of sun site observation March 1, 2013, 08:06 hours local time. Okay? Stopwatch reading during the sun observation was 50 seconds, and the chronometer error is 12 seconds fast. So, during sun observation, the gyro compass bearing of the sun was 110 degrees, 110. And the ship's zone description time of the vessel is 12 hours ahead GMT. So, ito yung required, solve for the following. GMT, date and time during the sun observation. So, you have to show your solution. Then you have to solve the GHC and the sun, GHC of the sun and declination of the sun, the true azimuth of the sun or true bearing of the sun, and then letter D, what is the gyro error? Letter E, what is the magnetic compass deviation? And if, what is the true course of the vessel? And the last one is, what is the total error of gyro compass? So, ito yung makikita natin sa solusyon. Nandito ang solusyon yan. Ipakita ko sa inyo. And we have to check it on the nautical almanac. So, now we will do the manual calculation. Okay?